Tata Motors earlier this year relaunched its iconic SUV Tata Safari in a newer avatar, and now Tata Motors launches the Safari Gold Edition in India at Rs 21.89 lakhs ex-showroom starting price. The special edition SUV will be available in two exclusive colors in manual and automatic variants. Booking for the SUV can be made online on the brand's website, with delivery set to begin soon. Safari XZ Plus Gold Manual is for Rs 21.89 lakh, while Safari XZ A Plus Gold Automatic is for Rs 23.17 lakh. White gold. This color scheme features premium frost white body paint and a black contrasting roof. Adding to it are the subtle gold accents on the grille, headlamp surrounds, roof rails, door handles, Tata and Safari badges. Black gold, the coffee bean inspired black exteriors. The black gold colors also feature the same golden accents on the exteriors as well. The interiors of the exclusive edition of the SUV feature golden accents around AC vents, digital instrument cluster, door handles and seat headrest. Other features include oyster white diamond quilted leather seats, offering ventilation on both the first and second rows, wireless charger, air purifier, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The gold edition of the SUV has made its first public appearance at the Vivo IPL 2021 in Dubai. Furthermore, keeping the ongoing pandemic in mind, Tata Motors has introduced the Safari Gold Hit Challenge this season. Every time a batsman hits a six and the ball lands on either the car or the car display podium or the Safari #gold LED commercial board, Tata Motors will contribute an amount of Rs 2 lakhs to the Akshaya Patra Foundation, a renowned NGO working towards COVID-19 relief. Currently, the Tata Safari retails between Rs 14.99 lakhs and Rs 23.17 lakhs for the top spec special edition variant. The new Tata Safari is powered by the 2.0-litre diesel engine that does its duties on the Harrier. It produces a maximum of 168 bhp and a peak torque of 350 Nm. The engine comes mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission. What are your thoughts on Tata Safari Gold Edition?
Yamaha is known for its performance bikes such as R15 and R15 V4. Yamaha is back with a new launch in the Indian market. Yamaha India has launched the maxi scooter Yamaha Aerox 155, which is based on R15. Yamaha Aerox 155 looks like an urban sports scooter. It is Yamaha's flagship offering for the Indian market. The Yamaha Aerox is a popular scooter in Southeast Asian markets like Indonesia, and the Aerox nameplate has been available in Europe and Asia for a pretty long time. Yamaha has launched its maxi-style performance scooter in India at Rs 1.29 lakhs ex-showroom. It will be available for purchase in two colors, racing blue and grey vermilion. In addition to the standard colors, it will also be available in Monster Energy Yamaha MotoGP edition. The model comes based on the same technology as the R15 sports bike. It uses the same engine and platform and is thus claimed to offer a very sporty experience. The new Aerox 155 scooter will be available through Yamaha's Blue Square showrooms by the end of September. The Aerox 155 is powered by a new generation 155cc Blue Core engine equipped with variable valve actuation mated to a CVT transmission. The liquid-cooled 4-stroke SOHC 4-valve motor produces a maximum power output of 15 PS at 8000 rpm with 13 Nm of peak torque produced at 6500 rpm. The engine gets a new cylinder head and a compact combustion chamber to achieve a higher compression ratio, boosting combustion efficiency. It also has optimized coolant pathways to improve reliability and the same lightweight forced piston spec as the YZF R15. A deacyl cylinder has also been used for excellent heat dissipation. The Aerox 155 also gets a smart motor generator system for quiet engine starts, whereas the stop and start system boost fuel efficiency. The Aerox 155 has been designed with 3 focus points. The Maxi Sport scooter also gets a large 5.8-inch LCD screen with multi-information display that showcases a speedometer, RPM, VVA indicator and Y-Connect app phone notifications, maintenance recommendations, last park location, fuel consumption, malfunction notification, revs dashboard and ranking. For the convenience of the riders, the fuel refill option has been provided with an external fuel lid. The information displayed can also be toggled via the handlebar switch. Some of the key feature highlights of the new model include a single-channel ABS, 14-inch wheels with wider 140mm rear tire, Bluetooth-enabled Yamaha Motorcycle Connect app, 5.8-inch LCD cluster, LED headlight and LED taillight. In terms of storage, the front compartment contains a charging socket with a port of the bottom for the charging cable to pass through. Under the seat, a storage capacity of 24.5 liters is offered, enough for one full face helmet to fit along with rain gear, etc. The footboards are also steeper for a sportier feel and a better fit with a forward-leaning riding position, and a 5.5-liter fuel tank is placed in between. The Yamaha Aerox 155 is positioned as a maxi scooter in India and will go up against the likes of Aprilia SR 160. Yamaha R15 is one of the most popular mid-range sports bikes in India. It is known for its sporty look, which is very enticing. Yamaha has now launched its 2021 Yamaha R15 in the Indian market along with Aerox 155 maxi scooter. New Yamaha R15 V4.0 launched in India. The new 2021 Yamaha R15 V4.0 receives a major design change that takes inspiration from the bigger Yamaha R7. Along with the new updated design, Yamaha has also given the new Yamaha R15 V4 a whole host of new features. The new 2021 Yamaha YZF R15 V4 looks far more mature and bigger than the outgoing model R7 inspired design. It comes with a new LED projector type headlamp setup. This new headlamp setup is cleverly placed in a centrally positioned chamber that looks like an air intake. This gives an illusion of a stripped out racing bike. This, along with the matte gold finish USD forks, the new Yamaha R15 V4 looks like a motorcycle with a much larger capacity engine. The new Yamaha R15 V4 gets many advanced features like traction control system, quick shifter, Bluetooth connectivity, ride modes, gear shift indicator and a few more. Another notable feature in the new Yamaha R15 V4 is the ride modes. This allows the user to change between track mode and street mode to suit the riding requirements. Powering the new Yamaha R15 V4 is a 155cc 4-stroke liquid-cooled SOHC 4-valve petrol engine with variable valve actuation and fuel injection. This engine produces 18.4 bhp at 10,000 rpm and 14.2 Nm of torque at 7,500 rpm. The engine is mated to a 6-speed gearbox but now comes with a slipper clutch and quick shifter. The new Yamaha YZF R15 V4 comes in 3 color options. The color options include metallic red, dark night and racing blue. Along with this, there is also a new trim called the R15M. The pricing for all new Yamaha YZF R15 V4 starts from Rs 1.68 lakh ex showroom, whereas the R15M is priced at Rs 1.80 lakh ex showroom.
Honda Cars unveiled the second generation of all new Honda BRV. The upcoming Honda BRV is a 7-seater SUV from Honda for the Indian market. The second generation Honda BRV comes with a completely redesigned look and series of advanced technologies that are not only the first to be implemented in the model but also previously not available among all models in its segment. The Japanese automaker revealed the production version of the N7X SUV in Indonesia, and it is called to be the all-new Honda BRV with a completely overhauled exterior and interior design. Honda claims that the second generation Honda BRV combines the styling and toughness of an SUV, the comfort and functionality of an MPV, and finally the driving performance and efficiency of Honda cars. Apart from this, the second generation Honda BRV comes with plenty of advanced features to aid the user and make driving much safer. Some of these advanced features in the second generation Honda BRV include Honda Sensing, Honda Lane Watch, Remote Engine Start, Walk Away Auto Lock, and a Smart Entry System. Along with these, Honda has added some more additional features like a 4.2-inch TFT screen on the dashboard to display various information such as Honda Sensing, average fuel consumption, distance to empty, and a few more useful information. Apart from this, the second generation Honda BRV also features a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity. The second generation Honda BRV comes well equipped with advanced driver aids such as ADAS. In ADAS, Honda has included some advanced features like lead car departure notification, collision mitigation brake system, lane keeping assist system, road departure mitigation, adaptive cruise control, and auto high beam. Styling wise, the second generation Honda BRV gets a pair of new LED headlamps with LED DRLs, a pair of LED tail lamps with light guides, and large 17-inch alloy wheels. Powering the second generation Honda BRV is a 1.5-litre DOHC iVTEC petrol engine. This engine produces 120 bhp at 6,600 rpm and 145 Nm of torque at 4,300 rpm, and the engine is mated to a CVT gearbox or a 6-speed manual gearbox. However, this engine is Euro 4 compliant, hence expect a slight decrease in overall power output once this engine is modified to meet more stringent BS6 emission norms in India.
Volkswagen India during the Auto Expo 2020 announced that it has bigger plans for the Indian market. Following its announcement, Volkswagen has launched its new SUV for the Indian market called as Tiguan.
Volkswagen launches the Tiguan in India at rupees 10.49 lakhs ex-showroom starting price. The Volkswagen Tiguan is sold in two variants, Standard and GT. The SUV is offered with two engines and three transmission options. Pre-bookings for the Volkswagen Tiguan were opened up in August and the SUV has now been launched in the Indian market. It comes in 5 color options. The Volkswagen Tiguan follows the typical Volkswagen design and style. It is based on the MQB AOIN platform and brings Volkswagen's mature design language to the mid-size SUV segment. Up front, it features LED matrix headlamps with integrated LED DRLs. It also gets LED fog lamps placed down low in the bumper. It also features a blacked out honeycomb grille with chrome slats. It also gets all-round cladding, rides on 17-inch alloy wheels, and at the rear is an LED tail lamp with an LED bar in between. Other design highlights include a shark fin antenna, roof rails, dual-tone ORVMs, etc. The Volkswagen Tiguan features premium interiors with lots of colors and textures all over. It is a dual tone interior, but the dashboard gets a silver strip that runs across it. It comes with a flat bottom steering wheel and steering mounted controls as well. The Volkswagen Tiguan gets an 8.0-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It gets a whole suite of connectivity options including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, etc. Other features include wireless smartphone charger, rear AC vents, front and rear smartphone charging ports, central armrest with cup holders, climate control, electronic sunroof, red ambient lighting, and smart touch climatronic auto AC. Safety features include electronic stability control, tire pressure deflation warning, park distance control, rear view camera, hill hold control, 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, multi-collision brakes, and ISOFIX child seat mounts. The Volkswagen Tiguan is sold with 2 engine options and 3 transmission options. The lower spec engine option is a 1.0-liter turbo petrol and the top spec model gets a more powerful 1.5-liter turbo petrol engine. 1.0-liter turbo petrol maximum power 113 bhp at 5500 rpm. Peak torque 175 Nm at 1750 rpm. Transmission 6-speed manual, 6-speed torque converter automatic, and 1.5-liter turbo petrol maximum power 148 bhp at 5000 rpm, peak torque 250 Nm at 1500 rpm. Transmission 6-speed manual and 7-speed DSG. What are your thoughts about this mid-size affordable SUV from the house of Volkswagen?